open any browser you want. In my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome, as it is my favorite browser, and then just type in Reshade, download, and then open the first page, reshade.me, and then you can agree or decline for the cookies, and then just click on this purple download button, and then when you will be scrolled down, and again click on the green download button. In my case, the newest version is 5.2.2, and then if the setup is ready, just open it, and then Solo should load up. And in here, first of all, we need to select the game or application. Here, just click on Browse, and then you need to find your GTA application. Just going to do that on my second screen. Yeah, found it. So just you can also open your Rocks Against launcher if you do not know where your GTA is installed, and then just yeah, I think you will handle this. And then just if you found your GTA 5 or folder, just select the exe, the GTA 5.exe, and then click on Open, and then click on Next. And then just click on Yes, and here click on Next. And then in my case, I've already installed Reshade, so in your case, just click on Install and then on Next. And then in here, yeah, whatever you want, select whatever effect packages you want to install and what not. So just yeah, on your own preferences, and then click on Next. And then yeah, whatever you want. And then we have already successfully installed Reshade. Click the Finish button to exit the setup tool. Finish, and that's already it. If you also want to know how you can install exe.fx, then just stay with me. That's the second one, second topic. To just type in exe.fx download. And then open the first workupload.com link, and then just click on download. FiveM just launched in the background, whatever. And when we've downloaded this file here, open the GTA 5 folder again. And then a new folder should show up that is called Reshade Shaders. And then just open the shader and open the shaders folder. And then what you need to do is just drag this file into the folder. And then just with administrator rights, click on continue. And that's it. In my case, I already have that in there. So I'm just going to delete it again. But yeah, that's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just let me know in the comments section below. And wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.